Let's package a brand new slime coming to my shop soon called Mango Nata Slush. I started out by labeling the container, and then we're going to take this icy texture mango slush slime and fill it with that. Once it's fully packed, we're going to put a lid on it, and then it's time to package up the add-ins for this slime. Next, we're going to take this clear slime that's meant to look like chamoy and put it in a small little jar on the side. The scent I used for this slime is actually called Mango Nata, so it's pre-blended and it smells identical. I'm also going to put these metallic beads in a baggie on the side and grab a straw. And here's the slime all packaged. Let me know if you want to see me assemble it.